What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You probably have realized, well, the few people that do watch my videos on a constant basis, there's probably like 30 of you, which I love all you guys. The channel does have about 174 subscribers, but I think a lot of those subscribers subscribe based off of the koi pond videos, and I do a lot more fishing videos than I do koi pond videos because, well, frankly, there's only so much stuff I can do to the koi pond. I do like to update it once in a while. And this spring we have plans to do a lot of different stuff. But that's really for another video. Right now, we're sitting in the UL Norman. That is the abandoned John boat, or the John boat rehab. Yeah, I sent in the paperwork to get it registered because time has passed. There's a lot of things you have to do when a boat doesn't have numbers and when a boat doesn't have a title, and you just got to bill a sale. So if anybody tries to sell you a boat, like you think it's a really good deal, you know, you have to remember you still have to register these things. And if it doesn't have a title and you think it's a really good deal, it is a pain in the neck. I've had this boat, I think I've had it since May. Oh God, it's been a while. Anyway, I've been working on it and trying to get the paperwork done at the same time. I've been really patient waiting for the title and the registration to come back. Very patient. Anyways, so that's that. I have added a few things here. I'm going to turn you guys around and just show. We have a foot control trolling motor, which is sick. And I got that off of Facebook Marketplace for a steal. Oh, I'm standing in it, so I'm rocking back and forth on the axle. We have changed the color. Let's see if the lighting's better over here. We have changed the color, and we have permanently put it inside the garage. We put the motorcycle out in the shed, which fits perfect in there. But yeah, and then we have the trolling motor mounted back there. I am going to get a gasoline motor eventually. Figured this is the eco version of the boat. So yeah, this is the hybrid. Well, hold on. Let's stop it. Stop it. Get where you people. That's still horrible. Still horrible. Up. Whatever. You guys know my camera work isn't all that great. Anyways, also, you probably have noticed that I've been just kind of posting short videos or just kind of highlight videos. I'm kind of over like the pond videos, man. I've done so many of them. They don't do well, and I just want to take the boat out. Like, I'm ready to start flipping some docks or finding some deep shelves, or I need to learn how to fish out of a boat. I'm an okay pond fisherman, but that gets really boring after a while, and I can see why my pond videos don't do better. I've tried doing different things, and it's just not, this doesn't seem to be working. So I'm going to try to keep the YouTube page, you know, like at least one video a week, but like they're going to be short videos. They're just going to be little highlights or updates or whatever like that. You know, until I can get the boat in the water, and probably come this spring, I might start making some really kick-ass videos. We have some plans for some other mode of transportation in water. But anyways, that's kind of the update. Also thinking about changing the name of the channel. If any of you guys have any good names, you know, let me know. A variation of amateur, rookie, that's kind of what I'm going for, you know. I like the rookie, but I guess it doesn't really work. I guess people see the word rookie and they just don't want to tune in or watch the videos for very long. So, you know, whatever. Also, I got to work on my thumbnail game. I've been told that that's a really big deal for YouTube, and apparently my thumbnails aren't that great, so we'll work on that. Anyway, guys, the end of this video, I'm just putting together like some topwater highlights from past videos. So enjoy, and I'll probably try to put a sick beat underneath there. All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.